Your exhaust fan's no good. Just leave the electrical open and just leave the dome off. Stick the dome 30 feet away. Next to some gas piping, because we just don't need the dome. Another exhaust fan dead. Make up air intake. Just leave the top off. Rainwater won't get in there. Just leave the top over here. Maybe we just leave the clips unlatched, let the top blow off. And if you're done doing a compressor and you're tired, don't take it off the roof. Just leave it on the roof forever. Been up here for at least 2-3 years. Don't bother taking it down. Just let it rot on the roof.